if I can get it open. Oh, these damn nails. Where's your trusty dusty knife? I can't get this plastic open. There we go. There we go. Let's see here.
You gotta write those stickers. Your stickers on the side.
Now let's see. Is it gonna be a chase? No, it's not a chase. Still a Chiorina though. Look at 8-6.
You want to show yours too? What you've been dreaming about since we came?